Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Click on subscribe below in red. And for those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Charlotte. I am a medium channel. I channel messages in direct. Today's going to be a tarot card reading, so you're going to pick a card. So here are the cards. You're going to pick a card. So card 1 or card 2. I can give you a couple minutes. Okay, and we're gonna start with card 1. Okay, so if this is your group, stay with me. We're gonna do the tarot card reading, and if not, to go to the number 2 tarot card reading. So okay, so your card here is there is only light. So what I'm getting with this is I'm seeing in this group a lot of people that are actually having a little bit of doubts, or they are actually feeling very good, but just know that if things come up and you have doubts about a situation, just only see the positive of it. There's only light that is here for you, and just turn any situation that you feel is negative into a positive one. This is part of your power, and it's your power to see the light in every situation. See how there is darkness all around, but the light is shining all over, and this light is shining over the darkness. And they are saying that this is definitely something that you are doing. You are going to shine your light in every situation, and nothing is going to be able to stop you. You're going to be invisible, and you're going to really be able to shine the light on the darkness and transform any situation, transmute any situation. I'm going to do another. Let me see what else they have for you. This is going to be a very quick reading for you guys. I don't have a lot of time, but I wanted to share this with you. Message for group 1. Have a higher view on a situation. Look at this card. This card is beautiful. See, this woman is on the bird, and she's really seeing things from up. She is having a high view on a situation. She's taking that step back, and she can have a full understanding of the situation. She's not just getting involved with emotion and seeing just what's in front of her or what people are saying is the truth. She's taking a step back. She's getting really a different look, overall picture of a situation. Now she has a full understanding, a full view on the situation. So the advice for you is definitely take a step back. Don't get rushed into a situation or an opinion of what's going on until you really have that emotion. Kind of step back and take a moment to look at it with a different view, a different perspective, a higher view on a situation. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of gifts coming. The Oracle's gift is your next card. I see a lot of blessing coming for you. Just be able to receive them, okay? Be like that cup. Like I said in the video last week, you know, there's a lot of energy, divine energy that are coming toward us, that are being sent here, and just be able to receive it, accept it with full hands. Accept this energy and receive them like it's filling up your cup right here. Yeah, and also getting aligned to your mind, body, and spirit. That's what they're saying. Make sure everything is aligned. More advice. Jumping. Beautiful, uncaging. Yeah, this is a beautiful card. Look at that heart. The energy is really so what I'm getting is you guys have been into a very difficult phase, and this is a part of freedom where you're finally gonna let go all those layers, that's all those chains that have been holding you back, that have been really slowing you down on your past. And really, you're gonna be like this card show, okay? It's beautiful and caging. You're gonna be free. You're gonna let everything go, all those fears, all those doubts, all those things that were negative in your lives that were holding you back. Now you let them go and you can move forward because you incarnate your truth, your divine truth, and you're just going toward that. You're going toward that light, and there is only light. This is reconnecting to your first card. There's only light. See how much light are those in those two cards? Okay, and when you follow that, when you follow your path, your divine calling, the light and of your heart, okay, the guidance from your heart, you're going towards the light. When you're following with the guidance of doubts, fear, etc., you're going toward the shadow. But this is not what I'm saying for you guys, and this is beautiful. I mean, definitely trust your gut, your instinct, your intuition. I'm showing you those cards, but see how much light are in those cards. This is beautiful. And that is very positive for you guys. I'm going to see a little bit of advice for self-care. I love those. Let's see, advice for one, self-care. Soak in a bath. Definitely right now this is a good time to clean your energy. Soak in a bath, put some salt, some Epsom salt, some sea salt, okay, in it, and definitely do that. You can light some candles, make it like a very sacral place, okay, with crystal lights, candles, anything like that, nice music, and really relax yourself. Clean your energy, cleanse those old energy, because you've done a lot of releasing, like we said before, and that's gonna help you release anything that's left that's dark around you, okay? It's just cleanse those energy. Okay, I'm gonna do one more card for you guys, but this is very, very positive. I mean, I love the energy coming from this group. Yeah, I love this energy coming from this group. Yeah, and make sure you make silence to hear your inner guidance, the direction to take, so you can find your inner power. That's very important. I'm going to do a card for your spirit animal. That's good for spirit animal. Yeah, I definitely see you've been through a lot, but this is definitely the time to enjoy that phase with the light. You at the end of the tunnel, you can finally release that old energy and shine your light. That's what I'm getting. Keeper of secret, take time out from the world and be the observer. Nothing can deceive you when you trust your knowing. You see others' secrets and keep them sacred. In silence and solitude, you will find your strength. So again, that's what I was saying. Make sure you take some time to be in silence with yourself and be able to find your inner truth, your inner guidance. There's definitely this time I see you need some time for yourself to really reconnect to yourself, your roots. Have that moment of silence to reconnect to your energy and replenish your energy, because you guys have been going through a lot, and this is a new phase that's coming towards you. Again, take time out from the world, okay, be able to observe, and like we said, that card where you see things from up, okay, you're really observing from a different perspective, a different view. You're not rushing into those emotions, those new direction, okay? You're just taking a step back, having that overall view. You're taking the time to, okay, make silence so you can follow your intuition, your heart. Yeah, and you know nothing is going to fool you anymore, because you know. So thank you so much for watching group number 1. This was your little quick reading, so I hope this was helpful for you. Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye. Hello group number 2, we're going to do your reading for this card. So this is going to be a quick reading today. I'm going to show you your card, your pick. Vacation, take time for relaxation and adventure. So the advice is definitely take some time for yourself, okay? Take some time to have a moment to look at the nature, to connect to yourself. That's funny, that's actually connected to the group just before. But yeah, that's definitely sometimes for you as well to replenish yourself, replenish your energy. Take time for relaxation and adventure. So gonna see what's going on. What's going on with group number 2. Call of the muse, yeah, follow your callings, follow your intuition, follow your creation. I definitely see a lot of good time coming for you guys. I'm gonna see a bit of what's going on with this energy, but it's definitely follow that intuition. That energy is guiding you, and it's really a liberation. I see a lot of people feeling very at peace, very relaxed in this group. They exactly know what they're doing. They're just at peace, they center. Yeah, dancing through the energy and really keeping balance to everything going on. I see a beautiful energy in this group. Another card, group number 2. Oops. What do we have? Okay, we have a smoke and mirror, so you're definitely going out of that. There was a lot of illusion before, but you are aware of it now. You don't get fooled by it anymore, okay? You're seeing beyond that. So there's no more smoke and mirror. That was your past. That's where you were at. But now you have full awareness. You can actually decipher between the illusion, and this is just a lot of fake things and what's actually true, what's actually reality. And this is going to help you go to close encounters, and you're going to make better connection, people that are more connected to you, to your true self, and to you become, because a lot of those connection and relationship you had in the past were based on those illusions, those fake relationship, and they were not true to yourself. But now you're able to let go and clear the past, clears the way, and makes those beautiful new connection. That's going to be able to free you, because it's kind of like this card, you're kind of like in a cage, and that was a cage of illusion that was keeping you trapped, okay? All those fear were keeping you trapped in your own cage, in your own fear. But now you're going to be able to get out of that. This is also why it's a pretty good time for you to get some time off, for like a vacation if you can, or a bit time off to recenter yourself and really relax, recharge, because you've been going through a lot of energy as well, a lot of changes in your life, a lot of relationship changes in your environment. That's what I'm seeing. It's funny, it's the same card that came out again, close encounters. I'm showing you this card. That's funny. So we're gonna see what's the advice for your self-care. Self-care for group number 2. Advice for the self-care. Yeah, it's saying to connect to nature for this group. I'm hearing make sure you connect to nature to definitely recharge your energy. There's a lot of unstable energy. Self-care for group number 2. Read, take some time to read. This is a very nice time for you to kind of like disconnect a little bit of everything going on around you and recenter to yourself. Take care of yourself, take some time for yourself. Again, I see a lot of self-care in this group, because you have the card of the vacation, okay? That was saying take time for relaxation and adventure, and this is telling you to take some time for you for reading. Okay, this is definitely a time for you to relax, take some time for yourself, do things you love, and nurture yourself, because you've been going through a lot. You've been giving your energy to a lot of people around you that were fake, that were not who you wanted to be, who you thought was. You saw a lot of illusion happening, you had a lot of disappointment, and this is really a time like to say, okay, I'm done with this, I'm going to take time for myself, I'm going to recharge myself, and then we'll see after that the new connection I'm going to make, because I'll be more aligned and I'll be recharged, and that's what you will attract. We're going to do one more card. It's going to be your spirit animal card. But yeah, and it's very important to take that time for yourself for relaxation, because it's kind of like it's going to rebalance your energy. It's going to like reinitiate your energy, so you're attracting better people in your life. Because if not, it's kind of like if you're running empty and you're attracting emptiness. I hope this makes sense. Spirit animal group number 2. Oof, a lot of energy. We have the white stag, protector. You are an old soul. Your best friend is nature. That's funny, I just say spend some time in nature. Use your intuition to take you where you want to go. Awaken to the powerful force within you. You are meant to create a blessing with your magic. I'm going to show you this card. It's beautiful. Look how gorgeous. It's definitely a very, very strong card, very peaceful, very centered, a lot of connection with nature. Like we said, follow your intuition, recharge yourself so you can hear your intuition better too, to really calm your mind and recenter, so your intuition can take you where you want to go, and they will guide you to the best possible way, but it has to be centered to the heart, okay, and kind of quiet the mind. That's why the vacation time will be great for you, the relaxation, the time in nature, the reading, because that will clear your mind and you'll be able to find that guidance in your heart to guide you to the right people, to guide you out of the illusion, okay. And a lot of the illusion is also in your mind. It's creating a lot of illusion as well. That's what I'm getting. Yeah, you have all the force within you. And it really, you're going to create magic in your life again, like with this new connection you're going to make. And then once you really recenter your energy and really clear up everything else around you, you're going to make this new connection. You're going to have a new energy, a new way of life really that's going to take place around you, because that's what's going to be in you, so that's going to reflect on the outside. That's why it's very important you take that time for yourself to nourish yourself, and then that feeling of feeling good, feeling at peace is going to reflect on the outside, okay. So I hope this was helpful. This was a little quick video for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. Please take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.